NRM primaries, to have a whole vice president to go and contest for a local council election at village level, lining up. This is a humiliation. First of all, the elections are not free and fair. The vice president has escorts, he has guns, mortars, RPGs, and you go for lining up. We need to rethink this direct democracy. We have General Moses Ali sitting, he can't even stand, and people lining behind him. And all these individuals I'm mentioning are senior government officials with pension, which they can eat until they die. And then you go to the village to compete with someone who is barefooted. Where did this greed come from, honestly speaking? This is humiliation. This is now what we call de-democratization. We are just watching. NRM primaries, we are watching. But we need to start thinking. Leaders should learn to leave certain positions for others. For example, if you have been a vice president, if you have been a speaker of parliament, if you have been a deputy speaker of parliament, you are entitled for salary for life. You are entitled to a new car every 5 years. You are entitled to an escort for life. You are entitled to domestic servant for life. Your children, they will even pay their school fees for life. We passed a law. Now you come down there that you want to be secretary for veterans in the village. May God uphold thee